What's up, C-Mail?
Hey, good morning, George.
Like,
Ready to watch some slidey cars?
hell yeah, let's go, bro. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are super pumped to show you guys what we have today. If you're new here, my name is Jorge.
My name is Carmelo, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel to watch more future videos and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Oh yeah!
Go ahead, bud.
Oh yeah, we are here. Alright guys, so we're here at Willow Springs. This is gonna be a heck of a day. Thank you, Micah, if you're watching this, for hosting this. Happy birthday to you, man. Shout out to everybody that's here.
Dude, there's some nice cars over here.
Oh my gosh,
Nice
we'll
cars.
show you guys what's coming up next, and let's get this day started, dude. Bro, look at the smell.
Glasses, dude. Oh, that's so cool. Hey, she rips it.
Wow.
Good.
What do you think?
Shit, she's badass. at that, way.
Oh.
I heard if you drink that, bro, you get drunk. Guys, I am so sorry. I tried my hardest not to act like a fanboy. So I'm reminding myself, don't act like a fanboy, don't act like a fanboy. Then it's so hard because I'm a fanboy.
There's a what?
What is it?
2JZ. This is dirty.
Stop? Not stop, huh?
It's like, that's the best description over here.
You drove it over here?
No, I didn't drive it here. I mean, I would be down to drive it. It's just I had an oil leak yesterday, and then we fixed it this morning at like 5 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
But like the 2JZ, where everybody wants a 2JZ.
Everyone wants to change it. I don't want it anymore. If anybody wants it, I'll take it.
Take it, bro. Nice.
Yeah, so it's not your channel. Yeah, Jordan.
Yeah, he was telling me that he was drifting without his e-brake. So I guess it's harder because he's just drifting with the momentum. So if you will see him spinning out, it's because he was trying to figure out like the right speed, I guess. So all the momentum with no e-brake. It was torta time, but we're gonna wait. Lesson number 1, keep your mouth closed or else you're gonna eat rubber.
was dope.
Yeah.
That was so good. Oh.
Yeah, they're done. That's why at my last 2 runs, I shut it down early. I was like, dude, I'm out of grip. If I keep on pressing it, it's gonna blow up. Yeah, so it's the stock 2.5. I have headers on it, air filter, and then it has like a tune, but I think it only makes like 175 horsepower.
Wow.
Yeah. Dude, it's not even 200 horsepower yet.
It's all skill. That's what you're telling me. It's all skill.
I think this car weighs like close to 3,200 pounds.
Record this, man. He's telling you all the info.
That's the secrets.
Yeah, it's the secret, so they're gonna get blurred out.
Damn, bro. Get down.
Thank you.
And then here it's like ice just right.
No, actually, that's just up inside.
You put ice.
What's up, everybody? Look what we have here.
What's up, guys?
Micah, happy birthday, bro.
Thank you.
For hosting this.
Yeah.
This is pretty dope. I mean, everybody here is so cool, and just the event itself, I mean.
Yep. These are all the homies, so everybody should be nice. If they're a jerk, they're probably not my friend.
That's right.
Yeah, man. Everybody's cool here, man.
Yeah, everybody's pretty relaxed and laid back, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Thanks for coming.
Have fun out there.
Yeah, you guys stay safe, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you guys. Yeah.
We're here in fucking Metro Habitat.
Alright guys, we're coming up to the end of the video. It's freaking hot out here. We're having fun. Everybody was super dope at Willow Springs. Micah was super cool. Thank you, Micah, for hosting this. If you're watching this, everybody that was here, everybody was so nice.
Yeah, you guys are so nice, man. Appreciate everything for showing us your cars. For real. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. If you don't like this video, share it with an enemy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys next time. My name is Jorge.
My name is Carmelo, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to watch more future videos and start that over, please. Start that over.